You're probably not expecting this, but one of the most practical seven-seater cars in the world might also be one of the most misunderstood. The Toyota Avanza doesn't scream luxury, it doesn't flex crazy horsepower numbers, and it's definitely not trying to be flashy. But what it does might actually matter more than all of that. And here's the thing. If you're thinking about skipping this review because it looks basic, don't! Because by the end of this video, you might realize this is exactly the kind of vehicle most people should be buying, but aren't. So make sure you stick around till the end, because missing even a small detail here could mean overlooking one of the smartest car choices in its segment. Now let's get into it. The Toyota Avanza is built with a very clear purpose: practicality, reliability, and affordability. And while it's more popular in markets like Southeast Asia, there's a growing curiosity about it in the US, especially among families, rideshare drivers, and budget-conscious buyers, looking for something that just works without draining their wallet. Starting with the exterior, the Avanza has a clean and modern design, but it doesn't try too hard. Up front, you get a bold grille, sleek headlights, and a slightly aggressive stance that gives it more presence than you'd expect at this price point. It's not trying to compete with high-end SUVs, but it definitely doesn't look outdated or cheap either. Move to the side, and you'll notice its tall profile. This is where function takes priority over form. That boxy shape isn't by accident. It's designed to maximize interior space. And when you're dealing with a seven-seater, that matters a lot more than having a sloping roofline. At the rear, things stay simple. Clean taillights, a practical tailgate, and a design that focuses on usability rather than style. No unnecessary gimmicks, just straightforward design that gets the job done. Now, stepping inside, this is where the Avanza starts to make a strong case for itself. The cabin is surprisingly spacious. You get 3 rows of seating, and unlike many vehicles in this category, the third row is actually usable, not just for kids, but for adults on shorter trips. That's a big deal if you have a large family or regularly carry passengers. The seats are designed for comfort over long drives. They're not premium leather or anything like that, but they're supportive and practical. And honestly, that's exactly what most buyers in this segment are looking for. The dashboard layout is simple and user-friendly. Everything is exactly where you expect it to be. There's no learning curve here. Just get in and drive. You get a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, which means Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support in newer variants. Climate control is effective, and rear passengers also get their own vents, which is something you'll really appreciate in hot weather conditions. Storage is another area where the Avanza shines. There are multiple compartments, cup holders, and smart storage spaces throughout the cabin. It's clear that this car was designed with real-world use in mind. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where expectations need to be realistic. The Toyota Avanza typically comes with a small, fuel-efficient engine. It's not built for speed, and it's not trying to win races. What it is built for is smooth, reliable, everyday driving. Acceleration is modest, but it's more than enough for city driving and highway cruising. The transmission is tuned for efficiency, which means you get better fuel economy, something that's becoming more important than ever. And speaking of fuel economy, this is one of the biggest strengths of the Avanza. It delivers excellent mileage, making it a great option for daily commutes, long drives, and even rideshare use. Lower fuel costs over time can make a huge difference. Ride quality is comfortable. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and rough roads, which makes it ideal for urban environments where road conditions aren't always perfect. Handling is predictable and easy. It's not sporty, but it's stable and confidence-inspiring. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway, the Avanza feels manageable and easy to drive. Now let's talk safety, because this is something you should never compromise on. The Toyota Avanza comes equipped with essential safety features like airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, and in newer models, advanced driver assistance features depending on the variant. You're not getting cutting-edge autonomous driving here, but you are getting solid, dependable safety systems that do exactly what they're supposed to do. Another major advantage of the Avanza is reliability. This is where Toyota has built its reputation over decades. The Avanza is known for being extremely dependable, with low maintenance costs and long-term durability. This is the kind of car that you can own for years without worrying about constant repairs or expensive fixes. And that peace of mind is something a lot of buyers value more than flashy features. Maintenance is simple, parts are widely available, and service costs are relatively low. That makes it a very practical long-term investment. Now let's be real for a second. This car isn't perfect. If you're looking for luxury, high-end materials, or cutting-edge technology, the Avanza might feel a bit basic. The interior materials are functional rather than premium, and the overall experience is focused more on utility than excitement. Performance enthusiasts will also find it underwhelming. This is not a car built for speed or aggressive driving. But here's the key question. Does it actually matter? Because when you look at what the Avanza is designed to do, carry people comfortably, save money on fuel, and deliver reliable performance, it does all of that extremely well. And that's why it continues to be one of the most popular choices in its segment. For families, it's practical. For daily commuters, it's efficient. For business use, it's dependable. In a world where cars are getting more expensive and more complicated, the Toyota Avanza takes a different approach. It keeps things simple, affordable, and reliable. And sometimes, that's exactly what people need. So if you're someone who values practicality over prestige, reliability over performance, and long-term savings over short-term excitement, the Avanza might be worth a serious look. Because at the end of the day, it's not about how flashy your car is, it's about how well it fits your life. Auto Zoom.